just wondering, what would you like to eat when you're visiting here in the Philippines?
Oh, don't worry about it. I want the whole Filipino experience.
So what's for breakfast?
Rice, eggs, longganisa. Oh, here's your rice.
Breakfast was really good. What's for lunch?
Rice and pancit canton. Here's your rice. I will get the pancit canton. Rice again.
Is all you ever eat rice?
Can you teach me something in Bisaya?
Like what?
I don't know, like good morning.
It's maayong buntag.
Maayo buntag?
No. Maayong buntag.
Mayayong buntag.
Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag.
Mayayo buntag.
Close. Maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag. Now teach me something else.
Hey, which bowl do you want?
I love spaghetti. What's wrong with your spaghetti?
Hey, did you remember to put the toilet paper in the trash?
You guys got enough pancit left? This stuff is amazing. You guys got any more?
I'm tired.
Hey, how was your day? Good. What'd you do today? Well, I seen these like colorful things out on the road. You mean And I wanted to ride one. Are you talking about like a jeepney or something? Excuse me, sir. Are you new to the Philippines? I like your shirt. Here, let me take a picture. Okay. Okay. Hey, could somebody take a picture? Could I take a picture with you? Hey, you take a picture of us? I've never seen leaves like this before. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Love it. Love it. Do you guys wear these flip-flops like every day? I'm gonna like buy 10 of them and take them all home. Oh, I just love these. I've never seen a flower like this before.
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to get the right angle.
If you like that video, make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. We're coming out with a part 2 soon, so let us know in the comments what you thought of this one. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey, so how was your day today? Stop laughing, Elena.
Mayayo buntag.